Hello everyone, this is Joe from Sound Devices, and in today's 8 series quick tip, we're going to take a look at the Slate mic operation and how you can access it from any menu on your 8 series. The Slate mic has 2 operations. First one is momentary mode. We push and hold mic to the side, and as soon as we let go, we can see that the Slate mic turns off. If we just push it over, this is latch mode, where the Slate mic is going to stay on, and it won't turn off until you toggle that again. So I'm going to put it on latch, and I'm going to show you in the channel screen. We can see that the Slate mic icon is illuminated, and it also lets us know that we're currently listening to the Slate mic. From here, we can toggle it off. We do also have the momentary option we can use while we're in a channel screen. For a menu, we can enter a menu. Even though we can't see the Slate mic icon at the bottom, we do still have the ability to do it. So right now I'm in momentary mode. I can let go. We see that the ring LEDs are reacting, letting us know. I also have the ability just to latch it on, like before. So now we're in latch mode, and we can see that the Slate mic is still active even though we're exploring the menus, and we don't have that little Slate mic icon in the bottom corner.